Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Python variables. First of all, what is Python variable? Variable is the name of a memory location. It's a memory location's name in which we can store the value. It is the name of a memory location. That means memory location's name where we can store some value. The variable value can be changed. A variable is defined by the combination of an identifier, data types, and initializer. The first character in the variable name must be an alphabet, underscore, a digit, or a dollar sign. All variables have a scope. The identifier is the name of the variable. Commas or blanks are not used inside a variable name. These are some features and limitations of Python. Let's see syntax in Python. Type variable name. That means type means data type, any type, or int, float, character like that. It indicates type. Variable name means some anything, A, B, A and B, or anything are called as variable names. But let's see this with the help of an example. Open Python IDLE. Open. Click new file. Here is a variable. Here no need to provide data type because Python it contains embedded packages which contains all the data type. It can identify data type automatically. If a equal to 10, it will take as integer. If a equal to like this, it will take as characters, strings, etc. Based on the type of data we are giving, it will identify automatically. A equal to 10 semicolon, B equal to 20 semicolon, print A plus B we need to save this. In Python, file can be saved as .py, variable .py. .py is the extension of Python. Save 30. 30 is the output. We have given a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. A equal to 10, b equal to 20 and output is the 30. Output is the 30 like this. Now let's see another concepts in Python. Python input from user or user input in Python. In C it can be done with the help of scanf and C++ it can be done with help of cin. And Java it can be done with the help of system.in like that, buffer reader, by using buffer reader system.in like that. In Python it can be done with the help of input function. Input is used to input a value in Python by user. First syntax. X equal to input. X is anything. That means the variable which you want to store the input. We use that X. Let's see this with the help of an example. Open IDE, new file. Open new file. X equal to, what is the syntax here? X equal to input. It should be also in braces. Print X. print x. Let's run this. Input.py is the extension. We need to give some x value. 5 I have given. 5 is printed.